This year, the students are using the Fetch robot, which is a new robot that has an arm that they can use to manipulate objects.
Our project is called Shoe Guru, like Shoe Guru. We're programming the robot to work in a shoe store, and it'll keep track of the products. So you know how in a shoe store they have a front area where they have the display, and then you ask the store assistant to get the size and the style that you want from the back. And we're programming the robot to basically do that. What's unique about our idea is that it runs in environment with customers. So we put a AR marker. It's both a barcode for it to know which shoe ID it is, but also for the arm to orient itself in the world, and it makes it fairly straightforward to implement.
I presumably have some knowledge of shoes, so I choose the kind of shoe that they would want, and the robot is going to look for it.
So that's it? Yeah. And now back to home. Okay, stop there.
Before we start this off, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what's going to happen. The robot's going to drive to its home position, where it's going to get ready. Then it'll head off to the shelf, because with the web interface we have here, I decided that I really needed the Markov Random Fields book. I got to study for my AI final. So, it will retrieve the book, bring it to a carrying pose, and then he's off to the bookshelf, all bright and chipper. It moves the gripper out of the way. Now we're going to use some of those advanced computer vision algorithms that we mentioned in our video, because it's going to segment the objects on this surface and grab the book at its spine. So it gets nice up and flush against the gripper. Now it'll lift up and gently out. Hopefully. Very gently.
Our team is called Maja, which means like magical food service. So we're trying to do something for the food service industry. Customers can order food on an app.
Nick is a customer, so the first thing he'll do is say, "I'm hungry."
I am.
The robot is kind of like the serving robot that goes and delivers food to everyone.
He'll now attempt to place the tray down.
Our fries is of the greatest quality.
I think he said our fries is of the greatest quality. His grammar's not that great.
So our project is called Michael the Bar Bar. We're basically programming the robot to assist human bartenders.
I'm going to go ahead and order a 12 ounce of a Rainier. Each cup is visualized through the volume of the cup itself. Okay, so that was perfect. Can we just stop that?
The name of our project is AccuoBot. It comes from the book series Harry Potter. So Accio is a spell that they use to bring an item to them. So we're kind of using that idea to bring your groceries to you.
It takes an order from someone at home, and it fulfills the order of items that they have in the grocery store for the customer to be able to pick up later in the day.
And then because it's a taller shelf, then it has to raise its toaster up so that its arm can reach the position to pick up the box.
Yeah, that's something worth mentioning is that it looks like it's one shelf, but the robot can only really see like maybe 1.5 at a time. So it has to like look up and down depending on which one it's looking for.
It's got it.